Lecture 5. Basic Editing Tools: Cutting, Trimming and Splitting. Have you ever recorded a video and realized later that it was too long, had awkward pauses, or contained mistakes you didn't want anyone to see? That's where the basic editing tools, cutting, trimming and splitting, become essential. These are the core actions that shape your raw footage into a polished story. Think of them like a sculptor's chisel. They help you remove what's unnecessary and highlight what matters most. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the difference between cutting, trimming, and splitting in Filmora. Use these tools to refine and shorten video clips. Apply practical editing techniques to improve flow and storytelling. Prepare clips for layering with audio, text, and effects later in the editing process. Cutting, removing the unwanted. The cut tool allows you to remove sections of any size from a clip. It's like deleting part of a paragraph when writing an essay. It makes the message cleaner. To cut, for example, if we just want to use this one and drag this part in here and keep it like that. Okay, so we have a video in here, and for example, if we just want half of this video, for that you will just drag it in here, and for example 13 seconds, and we have a 26-second video for that. So you can just click in here to cut this video, and you can just delete this part. You can just right click in here and delete in here. So here you can see we have this part only that is really useful for our video. You can delete the unwanted part and close the gap. Practical example. We recorded a tutorial and accidentally sneezed midway. By cutting at the start and end of the sneeze, you can remove it seamlessly. Trimming. Cleaning up the edges. Trimming is about shortening the beginning or end of a clip. Instead of removing parts in the middle, you are refining the edges. To trim, hover over the start or end of a clip on the timeline until the cursor changes. Then drag inward. For example, you just add another clip in here, drag it in here, and keep this one. And here you can see you have this specific sign, and you just click in here and you can just trim it as long as you need. And you can just do it on this start as well. You can just drag it in here. And here you can see you have just refined the edges of this specific video. This is great for removing pauses at the beginning or unnecessary extra footage at the end. Practical example. If you filmed a friend walking into a room but started recording too early, you can trim out the part where nothing happens before the action begins. Splitting. Dividing clips into sections. Splitting is like slicing a clip into 2 or more parts so you can edit each section independently. To split, place the playhead where you want the division and click split. For example, you just want to split this part of the video, and you can just click in here. And here you can see now you have 2 different parts of the same video. And you can apply 2 different effects on the videos. For example, you can apply different animation on this one and different transition on this one. After splitting, you can rearrange, delete or apply effects to just one part. Practical example. If you're making a highlight reel of a soccer game, you could split a long clip into smaller pieces and only keep the exciting moments while removing the slow parts. Why these tools matter? Cutting, trimming and splitting may sound basic, but they are the foundation of video editing. Without them, you would be stuck with raw, unpolished footage that's too long or messy. With them, you can keep your audience engaged by removing filler, control pacing, deciding how fast or slow your video feels, focus attention on the most important content. Cutting, trimming, and splitting may seem simple, but they are the building blocks of every great edit. Once you master these tools, you will be able to shape your raw footage into a clear, engaging story that holds your audience's attention.